What's going on? Welcome to today's video. We got a foam roller. Yes, we are foam rolling. Mobility is super important, and if you don't know me by now, I always teach and educate all of my clients online and in person on how to foam roll. So again, thanks for stopping by. If you're new here, my name's Frank. I'm a certified personal trainer and fitness nutrition expert with my three main goals of helping you feel, move, and look better through mobility, nutrition, and training. And in today's video, like I said, we're using a foam roller. Every single new client I train, we use a foam roller, okay? Now, if you do have a hypervolt or a double peanut massage ball or a stick, I have a handful of these I put in my documents for my online coaching resources, but I'm gonna want you to learn how to do this. And if you're brand new to the channel or brand new to foam rolling, or you are a new client of mine, watch this video, do this, because I already have this in one of your documents, but I am showing this for the world because it's a really good way to loosen up before you start your workout. So without further ado, we're gonna get started. Let's actually get a little bit of water, as always, because you know staying hydrated is great for blood flow, circulation, and helping improve your metabolism. So let's get after it.
Five, four, three.
Growing up, parents got me a guitar. Said you could do anything, kid, you could go far. You could be the president, fireman, race cars. The sky's the limit, kid, so shoot for the stars. So I strummed that guitar every day. Found a passion for music, never went away. I joined a couple bands and played a few shows. Tried to impress the girl in the front row, but soon enough, everything starts to change. As you grow up, nobody treats you the same. They try to take your future and make it real safe. You could be a doctor, accountant, or something sane. But yo, whatever happened to the sky was the limit. I fell in love with music, never thought it was a gimmick. I worked so hard on every tune and every single lyric. My whole identity depended on being artistic. Now you wanna strip that away so you feel okay? Cause if I make it to the top, what does that really say? That you shouldn't have given up, that you made the mistake? But if I fail, you feel much better about picking your lane, right? Yeah, things are gonna get better real soon. Yeah, I'ma just do me, you just do you.
4, 3, 2,
I swear it's gonna get
1.
better real soon. Don't let anyone tell you what you should do. I got a clear view, we're gonna make it soon. Just keep pushing through. You're what you got to lose. You're what you got to lose. You're what you got to lose. Just keep pushing through. Cause what you got to lose, 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 got to lose. I won't give up, I won't back down till the line 6 feet underneath the deep ground. I won't give up, I won't back down. There's nobody stopping me except for me now. I won't give up, I won't back down till the line 6 feet underneath the deep ground. I won't give up, I won't back down. There's nobody stopping me except for me now. Be honest, life's a competition. So if I'm going to play, then I'm gonna play to win it. I refuse to sit and rot at a desk all day unless I have a passion I'm working towards, okay? I'd rather be dead on the outside than inside. A bullet to the head than 25 to life in a cubicle alone, just trying to get by, building someone else's dream instead of building mine. If you're hearing me, this is meant to inspire. If you have a dream or if you have desires, a girl in your life that's making you feel that fire, go fight for her man, go die for her man. Cause you only have one life, one chance to do it, one chance to prove it to yourself, so don't lose it. You got this, fam, just keep pushing on through it. One day you'll look back so glad you pursued it.
1.
Yeah, things are gonna get better real soon. Yeah, I'ma just do me, you just do you. I swear it's gonna get better real soon. Don't let anyone tell you what you should do. I got a clear view, we're gonna make it soon. Just keep pushing through. You're what you got to lose. You're what you got to lose. You're what you got to lose. Just keep pushing through. Cause what you got to lose, got to lose, got to lose, got to lose, I won't give up, I won't back down till I'm lying 6 feet underneath the deep ground. I won't give up, I won't back down. There's nobody stopping me except for me now. I won't give up, I won't back down till I'm lying 6 feet underneath the deep ground. I won't give up, I won't back down. There's nobody stopping me except for me now. You ain't gonna stop me now, because I got this now. I got the formula and I'm about to drop it loud. So what we talking about? There is no talking now. We take action with passion, we're rocking now. It's tick-tocking now, the clock's talking down. And all I hear is haters try so hard to talk me down, but they can't stop the sound, already on the ground. Everything is growing faster than I can count. You ain't gonna stop me now, because I got this now. I got the formula and I'm about to drop it loud. So what we talking about? There is no talking now. We take action with passion, we're rocking now. It's tick-tocking now, the clock's talking down. And all I hear is haters try so hard to talk me down, but they can't stop the sound, already on the ground. Everything is growing faster than I can count.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Everything is growing faster than I can count. I opened up my eyes to the world, I opened up my mind to it now. I opened up my heart to a girl, and hope she doesn't tear it all down. And like a little strand of her hair, a piece of her will always be found on my pillow in the shirts that I wear. Her laugh was always my favorite sound. You know I always loved all the ways you made me feel. There's nothing that compares.
5,
Every day
4,
it felt so
3,
real. I
2,
couldn't get
1.
enough. You're the one whose time I'd steal. You showed me how to love, how to open up and deal, yeah. You used to call my place home, cause we never felt alone. You're the only one I want, that's the only thing I know. You used to call my place home, cause we never felt alone. You're the only one I want, that's the only thing I know. Sometimes I don't wanna wake up, I stay in bed for the day, yeah. I think about where you lay, yeah, and the nights that we stay, yeah. All the things that you say to me, all the times that you'd come over to stay with me, all the problems that you said were okay with me, all the problems that you had went away with me. And when I'm feeling down and I'm out, I think about the words out your mouth. You always said that we'd be okay, that we could make it another day. Well, tell me, baby, how'd that work out?
3,
I feel like I lost you
2,
in the crowd,
1.
and now I never hear from you now. I feel like we just let ourselves down. You used to call my place home, cause we never felt alone. You're the only one I want, that's the only thing I know. You used to call my place home, cause we never felt alone. You're the only one I want, that's the only thing I know. Growing up ain't easy, too many things to do weekly, too many thoughts to think deeply, too many thoughts to be sleeping, yeah. Oh my God, I'm not eating, I feel so empty, I'm receding, and all of my friends are misleading. All of these posts and the lives they're leading, yeah. Oh, no way, I ain't gon' stand for this
4,
today.
3,
I'ma keep my head
2,
down, I'm okay.
1.
I don't wanna listen to a word they say. And we all know fear is a slogan, yeah. And we all feel broken, yeah. And we all outspoken, need someone who could just go shout. Sometimes I struggle in this place, been in circles several days, never knowing the right way, yeah. Sometimes I struggle in this place, people look the other way, and we all deal with our pain, oh yeah. No, I'm not down, no, I'm not out. If I got a voice, they gon' hear me shout. I can make my own choice and we've all got a mouth. I'ma make noise, yeah, that I don't doubt. I don't feel failure, not yet. Mistakes they make, yeah, better don't regret. And And like Drake said, man, I'm upset. Too many people out here wasting their breath, yeah, yeah. And still I feel like we've just all been going crazy. Too many people need to find themselves some safety. Just take control of your life, it's all day to day, yeah. Don't need nobody else, myself can always save. Sometimes I struggle in this place, been in circles several days, never knowing the right way, yeah. Sometimes I struggle in this place, people look the other way, and we all deal with our pain, oh yeah. Sometimes I struggle in this place, been in circles several days, never knowing the right way, yeah. Sometimes I struggle in this place, people look the other way, and we all deal with our pain, oh yeah.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Woo! You feeling loose yet? I hope that mobility video served you well. Yes, this is my first foam rolling mobility. And this is what I actually do with all my private and my one-on-one clients and my online coaching clients, is that I usually customize a document. I have a Google Docs, I have a private Instagram page that not many people know about, except for like 16 of my followers on there. And I send customized videos for your specific routine. But this is one that I wanted to put together so the whole world can see, and also that I can have new clients starting off doing too. So if you are watching this video and you're some other part of the world other than in the United States and in Georgia, feel blessed, because this is the exact routines that I do send a lot of my clients. And that's why I'm going on this huge project of mine, creating 100 videos in 100 weeks, because I want to have this awesome online library that's dedicated to help you get in the best shape possible. And then also, I need you to actually get in really good shape so you can handle my program that's coming out in the future. It's called Cover Model Body. It's a really intense 45-day program that's meant to take you to get that last little bit of stubborn belly fat off. So if you're struggling, you got a photo shoot or an event, a vacation, a beach trip, a wedding, whatever, I'm here, I'm your guy to help you out and get through that, okay? And then if you are also looking for something a little bit more customized, yes, we can hop on the phone, get on the call, we can go over your struggles, limitations, weaknesses, any challenges you may be facing, and we can come up with a unique customized plan to help you and get you in better shape, okay? So again, thank you so much for tuning in. Please go ahead and subscribe. Click that notification bell so you never miss any of my latest content. Give this video a like if you found this information beneficial and useful to you. And as always, I will see you in the next workout.